Do you know that one simple tense can instantly improve your English speaking? Do you know that one simple tense can instantly improve your English speaking, your confidence, and even the way people understand you? Yes, and today, in your very first lesson on Easy English with Ali, I'm going to teach you that tense in the easiest possible way. Welcome to Easy English with Ali. And thank you for joining me on this new learning journey. In this video, we will start with the most important and most used tense in English, the present indefinite tense. Also known as the simple present tense, this tense is the foundation of daily conversation. Whether you are talking about your routine, your habits, your dislikes, or facts about the world, the present indefinite helps you express everything clearly and confidently. The present indefinite tense is used for actions that happen regularly or repeatedly. It also tells us about universal truths and things that are always true. The structure is very simple. We use the base form of the verb, and with he, she, it, and singular names, we add s or es to the verb. This small rule makes a big difference in speaking correct English. Whenever we make negative sentences, we use do not or does not, and after these helping verbs, we always use the base form of the main verb. For questions, we begin with do or does, followed by the subject and the base verb. This pattern makes your sentences clean, natural, and grammatically correct. This tense is also used for feelings, emotions, opinions, and permanent situations. When you say what you like, what you believe, or what you think, you generally use the present indefinite tense. Another important point is that some verbs called stative verbs describe states instead of actions, so they always stay in this tense, not in continuous form. This includes verbs like know, love, believe, think, understand, and more. By the end of this video, you will not only understand the rules but also feel confident using this tense in real-life situations. And remember, learning English doesn't have to be complicated. With small steps, simple examples, and proper practice, you can speak clearly and confidently. This is just the beginning of your journey, and I'm here to make English easy for you. Separated examples, affirmative sentences: I wake up early. She reads books. The sun rises in the east. Negative sentences: I do not eat junk food. He does not watch TV. They do not play cricket. Interrogative sentences: do you speak English? Does she go to school? Do they live in Lahore? Stative verb sentences: I know the answer. She loves her family. He understands the lesson.